Well, guys, I am sitting at the bus stop waiting for the 187. It's like, oh, goody. I just got a migraine as I was getting ready to go and heading out the door, and I took, my rizatriptan already, and I may have not clocked it exactly correctly. So it's kind of like a harder migraine than the last one I had went away like instantly. But this one is taking a little bit longer to calm down. Even though it is calming down, I could feel in my forehead above my eye that it's actually starting to be good. It's starting to go off, so that I can focus throughout the day, because I want to be happy-go-lucky with my students. I don't want to be like at work. And believe me, there have been sometimes I've had migraines at work and I've had to continue working. It's the only way I'd skip on a migraine is if I were falling over furniture and not able to keep my balance, because migraines can cause that too. So that's the only way I'd call out because of a migraine that I could think of. But yeah, migraine day to day. They've been coming at least maybe once a week. So yeah, hopefully it stays once a week and it doesn't go twice. Because I've had it up to three, 4 times a week before, and that's just insane. But with all the stress we've been under the last few months, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at the migraines at all. I figure that they're coming anyway, because the stress is a natural, the migraine is a natural result to stress, at least for me. So anyway, guys, I'm waiting for the bus, and I'll see you guys later.